Some of the key features that we needed out of an ERP system are that, number one, we needed to be able to quote things in the system. Our products are such that the lead times on components vary a lot depending on whether they're in stock or not at distributors. So we can't just depend on a stock lead time that's on a part card in the system. It has to be based on the quote we used to quote the product. So we were able to implement some customizations that allowed the system to implement those material lead times into the scheduling. It can't require a bunch of manual work to get all the data into the system. You got to be able to go out for quotes, import quotes, have it automatically roll up the prices and give you the data that you need that you can rely on. Once we're building a product, both live during the build as well as at the end, we can compare our actuals to our quote and see how are we doing. Are we going to make money on this product or not? And especially during the build, if we can catch that real time, we can find out, hey, this is going off the rails. Why is it going off the rails? Let's see if we can correct this and get it back on track so that we make money on this product at the end, instead of finding out at the end there were all these problems along the way and we lost money on the job. So that was an important factor for us, is to get a system that would allow us to quote in the ERP system and then be able to very easily compare actuals to quote during and after the build.